What is CRISPR? For all the fellow science nerds and people who are generally interested in genome editing, you have come to the right place. In summary, CRISPR, or Cas9, is a hybrid protein that is used to detect irregularities within a strand of DNA. The Cas9 protein is basically a strand of RNA that acts as a biological pair of scissors and that are able to recognize sets of genes and be able to remove them and replace them with the correct set of genes. This technology is still currently in its trial phase. However, it has huge potentials when it comes to human progression in medical science. In addition, if we learn how to scale up the use of CRISPR, increasing it from just a single cell to larger quantities, we'll be able to edit a variety of things. An example of this would be editing embryos before they're technically being given birth to. Now, this will allow scientists or doctors to prevent the baby itself from possibly inheriting genetic disorders. So currently, as of now, there are well over 6,000 genetic disorders. An example of this would be Down syndrome. Despite all of its features and limited possibilities presented by CRISPR, there are still some people who somewhat dislike it, primarily because of the ethics surrounding it, which is the second segment of this topic, ethics. A topic under ethics regarding CRISPR is the concept of designer babies. Now, in a sense, in summary, this means that parents who somewhat gain access to technology of CRISPR will have the ability in the near future possibly to then design their own babies. Not through natural process, but just design them. So if the parents both have brown eyes, the baby can literally have blue eyes, which is quite fascinating. But should that happen or should it not? You decide.